Okay, 2022 Corolla air filter replacement is really simple. There's two little hooks. You unhook them. That's one. That's two. This, comes out from the little hooks and should give you enough room to get your hand in there and pull that out. Okay? Not too bad. You get the new one, and this is going to be hard to do with one hand. But basically, yeah, lift that up and slide it in. All right, once it's in there, want to hook these things back in. That little hook, slide that down. We're going to snap these back in. 1, 2, and that's it. The new air filter. So really simple. I got a good deal on this air filter, much cheaper than what you'd find at the auto stores, and I'll leave a link down in the description. All right, please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Have a great rest of your day.